Taking a look at my parts list, the top gussets need to have a finished width of 2 1/4 inches. From previous work that I did, I have one mill-marked edge from the table saw, and I have one straight-lined edge. I'm going to run my mill-marked edge through the joiner one time to clean it up. My table saw will be set to 2 1/4 inches plus a 1/16. And I can then joiner off that 1/16 of an inch mill-marked edge. My top gussets board is now about an inch thick by my oversized measurement of 21 inches by my finished width of 2 1/4 inches.